So students, the dimensions of the room are given as follows. It's 12.5 length, breadth is given 9, and height is given 7, because any if the values are given like this, 12.5 into 9 into 7, you take them to be length, breadth and height. Okay, so they are saying that find the cost to paint 4 walls of a room. So that's a room, students, right? Please try to understand the diagram. It's a bit non-scaling, right? So this is the breadth, this is the length, and this is the height. So what they are going to paint, this side, this side, this side, right, this wall and this wall. That's what they are going to do, right? These 4 walls they are going to paint, except the base and the ceiling. So what happens here is, what will be the area of this wall? Height into length, correct? Height into length. And this wall, this is the breadth, this is the height. So height into breadth and height into breadth. So area of 4 walls, area of 4 walls, or we call it lateral surface area. Area is equal to lateral surface area is equal to this, na, height into length plus height into length, correct? Height into length plus base into height plus again this height into base. So this is equal to 2BH plus 2HL, which is equal to 2H common, correct? And this is B plus L, correct? Right? So this is it. And now I'll put the values. So 2 into 12.5 and B plus L means 9 plus 7. So 2 into 12.5 into 9, 7, 16. That is the value, and this is actually in meter square, right? This is the value, and from here 2 doors and 4 windows has to be in this room. There are 2 doors and 4 windows, right? So you're not going to cover the doors and windows, you're not going to paint the doors and windows with the same color as you will be using in the wall, right? Walls usually, suppose if you're doing putty to your walls, if you're doing white paint to your walls, the same white paint you won't apply to your doors and windows also, right? Because they have their own color. So the area of these doors and windows have to be excluded. So area of door, what about the door, is 2.5 meter into 1.2 meter. So let's forget the decimal. 12 into 25 it is. 12 5 is 60, 0 carry 6, 12 2 ja 24 and 6 30. After decimal 1, so after decimal total 2 numbers will be there. So it's 3 meter square, means 3 meter square. Area of 2 door, this is area of 1 door, right? Area of 2 doors is equal to 2 into 3 meter square is equal to 6 meter square, right? Acha, now let's talk about window. Area of window. Window, they said that window is 1.5 by 1 meter. 1.5 meter by 1 meter, right? So it's 1.5 meter square. So area of, how many windows are there? 4 windows are there. 1.5 into 4, 6 meters square, right? So what is the total area? Total area of doors and windows is equal to 6 plus, this is 6, and the area of two doors is 6. 6 plus 6, this is equal to 12 meters square, right? This is the area of doors and windows. So effective area to be painted, effective area means what is the area to be painted actually? Is equal to lateral area minus area of door, area of doors and windows, right? What is the lateral area we found out? We found out to be this, 2 into 12.5 into 16. 12.5 into 2 means 25. 25 into 16. 25 8s are 200. So 25 16s are 400. So it is 400 minus area of doors and windows is 12 meters square. This is equal to, this is 390 and this is 388 meter square, right? This is the effective area to be painted. Now this is the area to be painted. Now per meter square they are giving 3.5 rupee. So cost of painting, what is the cost? What is the rate? At the rate 3.5 rupees per meter square is equal to 388 multiplied by 3.5. So let's multiply over here. So it's 388 multiplied by 35, not 3.5. We will just ignore the decimal as of now, right? So 5 8s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 8s are 40 and 4 44 carry 4, 5 3s are 15 and 4 19. Now 3 8s are 24 carry 2, 3 8s are 24 and 2 26 carry 2, 3 3s are 9 2 11. So 0 4 4 8 9 6 15 carry 1 1 1 2 and 3 1 3 5 8 0 is the value. Now here this is rupees. Windows, the rate was 3.5 na, so after decimal 1, after decimal 1 point will be here, right? So that is the answer. Next question, students, these type of questions you will get. It is said that the length and breadth of a hall are in the ratio 4:3, and its height is 5.5 meter. So length and the breadth are given in the ratios, right? 4:3. That means you need to calculate the length and breadth. That's the question actually. So look at the conditions that they have given. The cost of decorating it, decorating its walls, including doors and windows, let's put them in bracket, walls including, so doors and windows also have to be considered a part of wall, right? At rupees 6.6 per meter square, rupees 6.6 per meter square. So the cost of decoration is rupees 5082. They're asking you find length and breadth. That is the question, right? Okay, so what you need to do here, students, so a question is easy. Whenever these kind of ratios are given to you, okay, you'll start with let length and breadth be 4x and 3x. Okay, so everything is there into meters, so these will also be in 3x meters, right? Height is already given, right? We just did a question on it, boys. If they are saying that to decorate only its walls, if they're talking only about the walls, please bear with me, my diagram is extremely bad. Don't go on the aesthetic beauty, go on the knowledge that I'm sharing over here. So this is actually height, this is the length, and this is the breadth. So if you're talking about the four walls, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 3 4, 4 walls, so the area is equal to 4 walls is equal to height into length, right? Length into height plus this is length into height, means this face, the opposite face, will also be length into height, plus this is breadth into height, and this is also breadth into height. This is equal to 2LH plus 2BH. So this is 2H, I'm taking common, length plus breadth. This is 2 into height into length plus breadth. So this is the area of the four walls. Now you got the area of the four walls, and now substitute the values. So 2 into, what is your height given? Height was 5.5 meter, correct? So 2 into 5.5. Length and breadth are 4x and 3x. So 4x plus 3x. So this is 11 into 7x. Am I correct? That is the value, right? Area of four walls. Now they are saying that the cost of decorating its wall at the rate of rupees 6.6 per meter square is 5082. Means you got the area of the wall including the doors and windows. You don't have to take out the area of doors and windows separately, because they have included, you see, including, so they have included doors and windows, so you don't need to worry about them. Even if it is having 10 windows, 20 doors, you don't need to worry about. Just calculate the area, means this area, 1 2 3 4, that's it, you're done. Okay, now since you got the area, now price of painting it, decoration cost is equal to area multiplied by rupees 6.6, because per meter square is the, so 11 into 7x is the area of four walls into 66, right? Now decoration cost, they have said that it is given 5082, right? So I'm pulling this off, this 10 will come over here, so this means that 50820 is equal to 11 into 7x into 66, right? Now I want only x, so I'll just transpose, I'll do transposition of all of them, right? So all of are into multiplication now with x, so now they will go into division with this once their side is changed. So this is 50820 divided by 11 into 7 into 66. Let's see if, because 11 is there, 66 is there, so let's see whether it can be simplified using 11 or not. So 11 4s are 44, left 6, then 8 68, 11 6 is 66, then left 2 and again 2. Oh, okay, that's great. It goes by 11 4s are 44, From 44, 50 means 6 is left, 6 and 8, 68, 11, 6 are 66. Again 2 is left, 2 to 22, 11 2s are 22. You got 4620. Okay. Now you see, can it go by 7, 7, 7, 6 are 42, 42. From 46, 42 means 4 is left. Again, this 4 and this 2, 42, 7, 6 are 42. It's 0. 66 and this is 660, 10 times. Right? So the value of x is 10. That is the value of x. Value of x is 10. Since the value of x is 10, so 4x and 3x, what will be the value? 4 into 10 is equal to 40 and 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So 40 and 30 are the length and breadth, and that's the answer, right? So students will go on yet another question, which is Ahmad makes cardboard boxes. Boxes of two different sizes. Of two different sizes. The bigger dimensions (20 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 5 centimeter), and the smaller dimensions (16 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 4 centimeter). Then it is said that 4% of the 4% of the total surface area is required extra for all overlaps. (4% of the total surface area is required extra for all the overlaps. If the cost of cardboard is ₹10 per meter square, you need to find the cost of cardboard for supplying 200 boxes of each kind. So students, this being the question, let's take out the total surface area for both type of cardboard boxes, right? So answer, surface area of type 1 boxes is equal to, what is the surface area given? 20 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. 15 5 is 75, 75 into 2 is 150, 150 into 10 is 1500 centimeter cube. Sorry students, this will be 2 into length into breadth. This is the LBH. I'm sorry. Length into breadth. 20 into 15. 20 into 15 centimeter square. 20 into 15 plus length into breadth. Breadth into height. 15 into 5 plus height into length, right? Plus 5 into 20. You see what is the value? 2 into 20 into 5 gives you 300, 15 to the 30 and 0, 300, 15 5 is 75, 25 is 100. So it's 300, 475 into 2, 400 into 2 is 800 and 75 into 2 is 150. So it's 950 centimeter square, because this is centimeter square. So it's 950 centimeter square, right? 475 into 2 is 950, correct. Now let's calculate the surface area of type 2. Surface area of type 2 boxes is equal to 2 into, what is their length, breadth, height? Theirs is 16, 12 and 4. So it's 16, 12 and 4. All are in centimeter, right? So this is length, breadth and height. All are in centimeter, right? So length into breadth, 16 into 12 plus length into breadth into height means 12 into 4 plus height into L means 4 into 16. So this is equal to 2 into 16 into 12. 12 10 120 and 12 6 72. 120 and 72, 192, right? 12 4 48, 16 4 64. So let's check what is the value. 190 and 40 is 230, 230 and 60 is 290, 290 and this 2 and 8, 300, 304, which is equal to 608 centimeter square. So the question is correct. This is the bigger cardboard box and this is the smaller. What they are saying? 4% of the total surface area we have done till here. Whatever information they have given till here, we have processed it. Now next, 4% of the total surface area is required extra for all the overlapping. If the cost of cardboard is rupees, so what is the total surface area we have worked with? Total surface area worked with 950 over there for the bigger box and 608 centimeter square for the smaller box. 900 and 600 is 1500, 50 and then 850 and 1558, 1558 centimeter square, right? For 10 rupees for 1 meter square, right? Now you need to convert this into meter square. You see students, I'll tell you one thing. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Please be very careful with this. So what is the meaning of this? 1 meter is equal to 1 into 100 centimeter. Am I correct? Can I write this? I need value of 1 centimeter. So 100, I will do transposition on that side. 100 is in multiplication over here. It goes over there and it becomes in division. So 1 by 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter value is 1 by 100 meter. Now this means 1558. It's just for your reference. Centimeter square means into centimeter. Am I correct? So 1558. I need to convert it into meter. 1 centimeter. Now this is nothing is written means 1 centimeter, and this is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So this is 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter, right? So this is 1558 by 100 into 100 is 10,000. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 0.1558 meter square. Right? So whenever you need to convert centimeter square to meter square, you need to divide that number by 10,000. Understood? Centimeter square to meter square. This is in meter square. 1558 per meter square it is. Per meter square it is rupees 10 for 1 square meter. So student, what they said, they just don't want only for this much. They don't want only for this much. They are saying that you need to, if the cost of cardboard is rupees 10 per meter square, find the cost of cardboard for supplying 200 boxes of each kind. Means here this is the surface area of each box multiplied by 200, and this also multiplied by 200. So this here it is multiplied by 200 multiply, and this is also 200 multiply. Let's take 200 common, right students? So this is this into 200. Correct? Correct students? Correct? Into 200 into 200, right? So what will be the value? This 100 and this 100 is gone. Okay, let's not consider this, but the rule is that only, this is there in centimeter square na, you need to convert it into meter square. You need to divide this by 10,000, right? That's what that should be understood. Into 200, gone. Now it is just 2 zeros na, so you will get decimal before 2 numbers, right? Into 2, so 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, carry 1. 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, carry 1. 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry is 3. 3 1 1 6. 3 1 1 6, and for 2 numbers means 2 zeros are there, so 1 2 before 2 numbers you need to do like this. 31.16 meter square. Per meter square they are saying that it's 10 rupee. So into 10. So that gives you 311.6. This much of rupee. 3 rupees. 311.6. That is the value. Now into that, one more thing is to be considered, what we have not considered. 4% of the total surface area is required extra for all overlaps. So students, this became a bit messy, right? This is the total surface area we got na, for making 200 boxes of each kind, means total 400 boxes, 200 small and 200 big. They said that whatever the surface area you are getting, okay, 4% more cardboard boxes are wasted, right? So we need to see what is the 4% of this value, right? We need to calculate 4% of this value. So let's do it first. Please don't do this, don't follow this. Let's do it from here. Now what is the 4% of this? 31.16 into what is the 4% value of this? You see, 6 4s are 24, carry 2. 4 1s are 4 and 2 6. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Got it multiplied? 2 zeros are there, 1 2. So it's 124.64.